Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are tuning into some hair care with Amanda. I am Amanda if you're new here, and today we are going to be doing a DIY protein treatment. Since my hair is lightened, I do need to use protein treatments a little bit more often, but me being me and being the frugal person that I am, I like to do my protein treatments at home. So I guarantee you whatever you have in your fridge at this moment is jam-packed with protein and you can put it in your hair. So today I just went downstairs, grabbed some things from my kitchen and my bathroom, and I'm gonna make a mixture and add some protein to my color treated hair. So if you guys wanna see what I am doing and what I'm going to use for this protein treatment, then please keep watching. So before we get started with our DIY mask, we're going to have a little lesson in protein. So protein treatments are very important, especially for color treated hair. When you do experience a protein sensitivity or a protein overload, that actually means that your hair didn't really need it in the first place. Now, if you have virgin hair or relatively healthy hair, you probably don't need to use as many protein treatments as I would. Even though my hair is very healthy, it is still color treated. Basically, once you lighten your hair or use bleach or any type of chemicals, you're actually changing the porosity of your hair. Now, there is high and low porosity, but that is a whole nother video. But if you do have color treated hair, it is more susceptible to being a higher porosity, which means you're gonna lose moisture faster, you're going to lose protein faster, and that's just because of what the chemicals and bleach have done to the cuticle of your hair. All hair is made from protein, so we all do need a little bit of protein, but it is more of when and if you need a protein treatment. So I personally know that I do need a protein treatment just because of how my hair has been acting recently. It's not holding the curl very well, it's not holding the shape. My wash and goes aren't lasting very long. When I wash my hair in the shower, it is just too soft and a little bit gummy. The hair strands also stretch too far. And if the hair stretches too far, it can cause breakage, especially when you're detangling. So overall, a protein treatment is going to help you reconstruct and strengthen the hair strands. All right, so I hope you guys are still following along, and now we are going to get into the protein treatment for my hair. All right, so the first thing that's going to go into my protein treatment is an egg. Eggs are jam-packed with protein. As we know, a lot of people eat eggs when they work out and exercise to help build the muscle, and that is because these are such a great natural source of protein. So what I'm gonna do is first crack my egg into the bowl, and then I'm gonna add some other ingredients along with it. All right, so now that we have the main ingredient, we have our egg in the bowl, I am going to go in with a couple drops of Peppermint Essential Oil. Now, why I like to use peppermint is since I'm going to be using this treatment from root to tip and massaging it into my scalp, the peppermint oil is going to give you that tingly feeling and stimulate your scalp and your hair follicles, which is going to help with hair growth. Last but not least, I'm actually going to add a little bit of a deep conditioner to my mixture. Now, since this is a very hydrating mask, it is going to help balance the amount of protein that we already have in our bowl. This is the Curlsmith Hydro Creme Soothing Mask. It's also going to make the mixture spread easier throughout the hair, and you're just going to get that perfect balance of protein and moisture. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and give this a stir and then start applying it on our hair. All right, so I know it doesn't look like the most appetizing thing, but that's okay because we're definitely not eating it. So now that we have it all mixed together and my hair is slightly damp because I just got out of the shower, I'm gonna start applying it all over my hair. So I can actually already feel the protein working. As soon as this hit my hair, I could already feel the difference in my hair strands. Since my hair isn't super thick, I actually got away with just using one egg, but if you do have thick or long hair, I would probably use 2 to 3 eggs in this mixture, depending on how much hair you have. All right, so now that we have the mask all applied, I'm gonna leave this in for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse out, style as usual, and I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so these are the final results of my wash and go after I used the protein treatment. For this wash and go routine, I used the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Styling Balm. And then for my gel, I used the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Stronger Hold Gel. Then I air dried and these are the results. There's such a noticeable difference in my hair already. You can tell that it's more defined, it feels stronger, it looks healthier, and I'm just overall really happy that I did this protein treatment. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to let me know in the comments down below if you actually give this protein treatment a try. I'll link all the products that I used in this video in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.